Check this out. We made $4,000 last night on a Crazy Ivan futures trade, which I'm going to show you here in my Tasty Trade account. And we traded about 150 SPX 0 DTEs, and we lost $200 in those trades. So let's take a quick look at Tasty. Here we go. You can see that you probably hear Barbie, our poodle, in the background. You can see here's our Tasty Trade account. Let's take a look real quick at the NQs. That was the more fun thing. So we go over here to just look at NQs. So NQs, we had we went last night in on at 8:30 p.m. We sold some to open at 157. Put a Crazy Ivan in it for 165. They took it at about 12:44 after I went to sleep. Put in another Crazy Ivan for one at 8:30. Put in one for 170. That got taken at 3:30 in the morning. Put one in for $1.75 at 3:40. That got taken. Came back, did a video today when my son called me and said, "Hey, Dad, you're way up." And sure enough, we were up like 25%, 29%. So we sold those. It took us 2 takes, so we sold 2 of them. And you see, these are the ones we put on. We're still up about another three grand. I think we made a grand each on these. So we're up about $5,000 on those. So that's pretty darn good. And then on SPX, not so much today. We did a whole bunch of them. As you can see, look, we got punched out. So the 351s we went on. For 3 of them, we went on at $1,200 at 351 and another 300, 1,500. And then here's another, I don't know what we did, 500 or so. And then another 400. And then we lost, looks like the 400 or so. So it was around $500, $700 winnings at 351. But when I did the recording, I didn't have the microphones on. So live and learn. We're learning on these. Let's take a look, though, at where we were. I just want to show you kind of so you can see how our spreads work during the day. You know, we had a rising market all day long, so these calls got pushed out quite a bit. You know, the calls were getting punched out with regularity. You can see these are the longs that are left over that are, expired worthless. But then all these puts is where we made the money. And so what we have happening is this side is all the winners, and then this side over here is all the losers. And so we had a couple that hung in there right at the end. These are probably the ones that went on at 351. And so there's some winners. Like I said, we ended up, after fees, commissions, and slippage, losing about $250. But let's take a look first at the Schwab account. We do a $30,000 challenge that we started on October 1st, for those of you that don't know. So here is that particular account. As you can see, it started at $30,000 on October 1st. It's at $41,276. So that's up $11,276 since we opened, down $297, like I said today. We lost more on the $30,000 account where we did 6 trades or 7 trades today than we did on the big multi-million dollars accounts where we're doing like 150, 100 trades, something like that. At any rate, on the 3-month, we've made $5,900 in the last 3 months. So we must have made a lot of it in those first couple of weeks. And so that's up 15% in the last, 90 days. So that computes to like 60 to 80% rate of return, which is still pretty darn good. So let's go to the Options Omega site. They normally don't update till 4:15 is the problem. So as you can see, it's kind of complicated to see before 4:15, but you can see that we made $24,000, but we lost $25,108. I'm going to say the difference is $200-$300. And if they would just update this thing, we would see all the trades, and what the capture percentage, of course, is going to be 0. So at least you get a pretty good idea. And it is just now 4:16. They should be updating this any second now. Let's just see if they are, if we get an update on it or not. If not, we'll just call it a day. We do a challenge. Like I said, we started with $1 million in the account on October 1st in that account. And we traded about here's the update. So we lost, $834, it says. I didn't think it was that much, but okay. And we did 158 trades today. So, but still, that's fine. We understand that this is a math problem. And the way it's going to work is we're going to win 53 to 57% of the time. So we're going to lose 43 to 47% of the time. And that's how the game is played. Today is a losing day. That's fine. They happen all the time. with regularity. So you don't get blown away. The idea is we're doing very small trades, repeatable over and over and over and over and over again. It's just a math problem. It's like we own the casino and the zero DTEs are the slot machine. Now, if any of this free information is of any value to you, we'd really appreciate it. If you subscribe and like, it really helps the channel. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. We do read every single one and we get back to most of them. We hope if there's any suggestions you have for videos like to see, just put them in the comments. Hope you have a great trading day. And tomorrow we'll try and be on time.